Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be making a bowl with a kind of a natural edge to it. So the first tool we're going to be using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by flattening off the bottom, leaving a bit of a foot there, and then we're going to start by working around the sides to get the bowl shape that we're looking for. There we go, different camera angle there. Like I say, we're going to carry on going around the sides to get the bowl shape, whilst keeping a tenon, which is going to double as a foot at the end. Still sticking with the mid-size finisher. There's the mid-size rougher, just to make a tenon and the foot, and to clear off all of them little fuzzies at the end. And here's the detailer, so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And now we're going to get rid of that nice little nubbin at the bottom. And there you go. Alright, so we've moved the tailstock out of the way, and we're going to do a bit of sanding with the drill. This is 240 Grit Here from Klingspor Abrasives. And there you go. Alright, so the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer, just to mark out where the edge of the bowl is going to be. And now we're going to hollow the rest of the bowl out with the number 1 hollower. Just flattening the top off first. And now we're going to start plunging in. Fantastic tool, this removes it very, very quickly. And there you go.
Once in a while, I get tired of talking. I put on a smile.
Just checking the wall thickness with the finger calipers. These are the metric ones. Alright, so I've already taken what the remaining bark off, and we're just going to do some more sanding with the drill. There we go, we've got the lathe stationary now, and we're just going to go around, do the rest by hand. Well, I say by hand, still in the drill, but with the lathe stationary.
I'm trapped inside a fake reality.
And there you go for that bit, and round the rim, actually by hand this time. And there you go. Bit of compressed air. And some Hampshire Sheen Danish Oil. Slow-mo.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I'm ready to the ground. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars.
Here are some pictures. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like, click on that subscribe button. And if you like any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. Until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.